Welcome back to my channel. It's Elena and I'm back with the results of the giveaway video, my subscriber giveaway video. First of all, let me say thank you to everyone that has subscribed to the channel. Thank you for all your kind words. Thank you for all the suggestions of the videos that you want to see. I really appreciate you all. Really do. This is going to be a really fun journey here, learning resin and teaching resin to you all, the little bit that I know. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm really excited. But without further ado, I do want to go ahead and announce the winners. Again, thank you so much to everyone that's entered and subscribed to the channel. It means so much to me. So let's jump into it. Okay, so first place winner, if you remember, first place is for the resin gift set that comes with the resin and the coasters and I think they're coaster molds and some other little goodies that was in the kit. I will insert a picture so you guys can see what the prize was. And the winner of this lovely prize is It's AM Honey. Let's give her a round of applause. Congratulations for winning first prize. And second prize, remember, is the candy gift set, the candy necklace and earring set that I made in that collaboration video, which I'll insert the picture here. And my second place winner is Peanuts and Cinnamon. Congratulations. And then the third place prize winner, if you remember, there was a whole host of keychains that I had laid out. So your pick of any one of these keychains is your prize. And that third place winner is Nails Are Life, Lace Burkeen. I hope I'm saying that right. Okay, so you all have a week to get back to me to claim your prizes. If I don't hear back from you, I will be picking new winners. So please get back to me as soon as possible with your shipping information. And also Peanuts and Cinnamon, I'm gonna need to know if you know, if you want your item personalized or not. So definitely my email is down below. You can contact me via email, or you can also contact me via Instagram. I will have all links down below for you to contact me. And yeah, thank you so much to everyone that entered the giveaway. I was super excited to see everyone that had entered. I didn't think that I would have that many entries, but you all rock. So thank you so much. I will have another giveaway at my next milestone, whenever that will be, as the channel grows. And yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to be having some Christmas videos coming up real soon. We're entering the holiday season, and so everyone's starting to put up, you know, Christmas resin videos and just Christmas decor videos. So I have a few things in mind that I want to share with you guys, so definitely stay tuned for that. Coming up really soon. Also, don't forget to check out my Etsy shop, where I have some things that have been made on here on the channel and some things that haven't been made on the channel that you may want to check out and maybe get as Christmas gifts for yourself or others. So yeah, just want to say thank you all for supporting me. Thank you for watching the channel, and I hope you all enjoy. And with that said, I will see you in my next video. Don't forget, go out there and create something new and trust your dopeness. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.